Good evening, this is Jan. I'm here in my kitchen where I'm gonna make Italian rabbit stew. Now here I got 2 rabbit legs, which I suppose is like just a regular Dutch rabbit. I'm gonna make this Italian style. The seasoning is gonna be very simple. Just some salt and black pepper. Then just a couple more preparations before I start stewing the meat. Shallots. I'm just gonna cut these in half or 4, even better. 2 large cloves of garlic. I'm gonna cut these roughly. And last but not least, a couple of carrots, because rabbit and carrots, they are quite a match. In a large stewing pan with an abundant amount of olive oil, extra virgin, I'm gonna brown these rabbit legs. Then I will add the shallots and the garlic as well. Time to add white wine. This is my house wine from Adega de Pigos from Portugal. I love this stuff. So, 1 glass, more. And I'm gonna add some cherry tomatoes because this is an Italian dish. So, tomatoes plus green olives. And then of course, for the real Mediterranean herbs, thyme, quite a lot. And here I got some sprigs of rosemary. Very fragrant and very Mediterranean, so I'm going to just put some of these on top. I almost forgot, very nice ingredient, Worcester sauce. Not Italian, but I happen to like Worcester sauce, so some drops. Just adding some water so that the rabbit is covered almost completely. Close the lid. And then we just wait approximately 45 minutes. And this will be ready. In the meantime, the stew is doing quite okay. Looks like it's ready. Time to plate things up. So I'm putting the stewed rabbit legs on the plate, and then I'm gonna Just pour the sauce over the rabbit. Gonna get rid of these sprigs of rosemary. And then for decoration, I'm gonna put just 2 sprigs of rosemary alongside the rabbit stew. Yeah, that flavor is incredible. That is rabbit. I'm gonna just eat this with my hands because that's the most easy way to eat rabbit leg. Then I got some rustic bread. Dip it in the sauce. Tomato flavor. Plus these Mediterranean herbs like thyme and rosemary. Beautiful stuff. A couple of green olives. Carrot, tomato. Oh man. So much flavor in this too. So much. I simply love rabbit. It's one of my favorite mammals, for sure. And especially in the Mediterranean, countries like Spain, Italy, Malta, they're very good with their rabbit dishes. Then the combination with the wine. Nice, as always. I mean, this is one of my favorite wines, you know, from Portugal. It's always good, very decent flavor. Matches well. With my food. Rabbit leg number 2. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.